Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in for another episode of Toy Time for Now. Today, Minnie and Daisy are playing with Figaro at the park. And looks like Peppa and Candy Cat are just finishing their sandwiches. Guys, I brought some candies. And they're not just regular candies, they're magical candies. Would you guys like to join me and see how these magic candies works? Well, come on. What are you guys waiting for? Let's check them out.
It's toy time for now.
Would you like to play with me?
Okay, guys, I have the candies right here. First, we have a great big bag of colorful Skittles. And we have a big bag of fun M&Ms and some really colorful jelly beans. I think we are going to need a tub to put them in. And guys, remember, these are not regular candies. They are magic candies. So let's get them out and get the magic going. Let's start with the M&Ms. Let's open the bag and pour them all out. Go! Oh my goodness, guys! There's so many of them. And they're so colorful. Now, time for the Skittles. Okay. I think it's open. And now, let's pour them out. Oh, wow! They are the same shape as the M&Ms. And they are so colorful as well. And now, for the jelly beans. Ooh, look at all of these colors. They are so much fun. Alright, let's spread this out. And maybe mix them a little bit. There we go. Alright guys, are you guys ready to hop in here? Okay, come on. Guys, before we get started on how these magic candies work, I think we should name some of the colors that we see. There's so many of them. So I think we should name a few. Okay, I see a yellow candy. It's so colorful. And a red candy. And also a green candy. And an orange candy. And purple candy. What's next? Oops, I dropped that one. And we have a white candy and pink candy. There's so many colors. Let's get this magic started. All we have to do is sprinkle some fairy dust in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, that should have done it. If that worked, there should be some hidden surprises in here. Guys, look! It worked! We have a blind bag! Oh, that is so exciting! We have our Paw Patrol! Let's open it up! Time to do this. There we go. And like I said, this is our Paw Patrol and they are the collectible keyring. I wonder what character are we going to get? Let's get it out and looks like we got Rubble. And he is wearing his cute yellow uniform. And check this keychain. It's super cute. And look at his pop pack. Oh, Rubble, that is so cute. Time for the next surprise. There is no way that we only got one surprise with all of that fairy dust. I think there's more, so let's dig. Oh look guys, we have more. Just what I thought. We have a really cute button container. And it's from Lalaloopsy Tinies. I can't wait to open this. Okay, let's get this opened up and check our surprise. Ooh, look, we have a really big collector's guide. This is going to be a really fun series. It looks like we have lots of characters to collect. And this is what the other side looks like. I wonder what character we're going to get. Let's open it up. Alright. Oh, I can't wait, guys. Looks like we have a really cute pink penguin with a cute bow on top. And it's so tiny. Let's try to find him on this collector's guide. Oh, you guys need to help me. There's so many of them. Can you guys see him here? Alright. Or maybe it's not a boy. It's probably a girl since it's pink. Ooh, looks like we found her. She is number 503. That is so cute. Good job, guys. Okay, let's check over here. Let's move you over so we can check this area as well. Let's dig. Oh, sorry guys, nothing in there. But we found a yellow egg. And looks like it's from Dinosaur Train. It's our mystery Hatchosaurus. Oh, I wonder what's inside. I can't wait to find out. Alright, little yellow egg. Time to hatch. Okay. Let's get this opened. And let's check the collector's guide first. Lots of cute little dinosaurs. Oh my goodness, look at the color of this dinosaur. Pretty blue. And let's turn him around and check his yellow beak and pink hands. He is so cute. I wonder what his name. Let's see. Oh, I spotted him. He is a Gallimimus. And he is an herbivore and he is a biped. That is super cute. Biped means he stands on 2 feet. Good job, guys. So far, we found 3 fun surprises. I bet you there's at least one more surprise hidden in here. And do you guys know that the last one is usually the best surprise? I can't wait to find out. Oh my, look at this. We have a Kinder Egg surprise. Oh, I can't wait to open this up and find out what's inside. Let's peel this wrapper off. And look at all this chocolate. It looks so yummy. And oh, look at this hidden yellow egg. And I can hear something in there. Time to open this up and see what's in there. goodness, guys. We have a really cute car, I think. To make sure, let's look at this collector's guide. Looks like on this side is the instruction, and the opposite are the cards to collect. Time to put the card together. Alright, looks like this piece was snapped in here. Let's try and figure this out. Did I get it? Not yet. Oh, there it is. And now, time to put the spoiler on. And I think this just snaps in here. Oh yes, perfect. And put this cute tiny sticker on it. It's so small. There we go. And I think it goes on the hood. Oh, look at that. That is a really cute. I think this is called the Sprinty car. And we got the white one. Oh, guys, let's get this moved away and maybe you guys can play in here. Guys, would you like to play in all these candies? Let's put you here and let's try to cover you up with all these colorful candies. There we go. Oh, got a Figaro. Maybe I'll just use my hands. Oh, there. And now, Peppa and Candy Floss. And the surprises. Oh, there's Figaro. There he is. Okay, guys, that's about it. Thank you for watching Toy Time for Now. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to push the subscribe button for more fun videos. Leave a comment and let us know what your favorite candy is. Till next time, and thank you for watching Toy Time for Now. Bye-bye.